What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming to check out the channel. My name's Larissa Shanti, and today we are going over lion's breath, or Simhasana pranayama. So this breath is really great for multiple things. It's great for being silly. It's great for letting go of what other people think of you. It's great for just kind of dispersing any of those negative energies we got going on. It's great for opening up your throat chakra. And yeah, there's just something about this one that's like freeing and kind of liberating and de-stressing all at the same time. So if you do feel a little self-conscious in your practice, I'm going to suggest finding a space where you can be alone, at least for the first few times you practice this. Like I said, we feel a little bit silly in the beginning, but I encourage you to take this into the classroom with you. Yeah, let it go. So we're gonna get started onto our knees and then palms on top of the thighs. From here, just start to lengthen the arms out, gently pressing the palms into the thighs and opening up through the collarbone. So like a smile spreading across the collarbones. Shoulders are gently pressing down. And we're creating this kind of openness, space in the chest and relaxing along through the sides of the neck. Let's close the eyes and just take a nice inhale. And exhale, relax. One more of those. Inhale. And exhale, relax. Beautiful. Let's blink the eyes open again. So I'm going to warm you up to this one. First, I want you to just take an inhale through the nose and then let it out through the mouth. So let's try a couple of those. Inhale through the nose, nice and deep into the belly. And then out through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. Let's try one more. Inhale. Good. All right, now that we've gotten that kind of sensation feel for it, we're gonna add in the tongue and the eyes. So when you it out, you're gonna also stick your tongue out all the way, yeah? And then along with the tongue, you're gonna look up in between your eyebrows, so right at your third eye, and you're kind of almost cross-eyeing it there. So it looks something like this, yeah? I told you we were gonna get silly, but it's great. Let's keep it going. And let's just try one to get over the weirdness, jitters. Let's take an inhale. And then exhale, hot out, tongue out, look at the third eye. Good. All right, now we're gonna try it for 5 rounds. So as you're ready, take an inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale again. Exhale, hot out. Inhale. Exhale. Making sure those shoulders are staying relaxed away from the ears. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's do one more. Inhale. Exhale. And come back. And that is lion's breath. So maybe you felt that kind of freeing sensation and just openness. Don't be afraid to get silly with it and just embrace that silliness and embrace the liberation that comes with that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.